welcome back to Double D Automotive YouTube channel. I've got a problem. I can't find any repairable write-offs at the moment. They're just going for stupid money. And I'm like, you know what I'm going to do? My wife wants a Tesla, guys. And everybody's like in the comments right now. Everybody's thinking, oh, why would you buy one of them? Well, that's what she wants, you know. But I don't want to spend $60,000 for a car that's going to light on fire, or a car that's going to have battery issues, or a car that's going to have issues altogether. So I went, how can I buy one a lot cheaper, paint it pink because that's her favourite colour, and, you know, make it cool? And I'm like, Teslas aren't cool, yeah? Well, I found a 2023 Model Y with 18,000 on the clock, and I'm like, oh, guess how much? I don't know. What do you think I should pay for this guy? So this is in my hometown, right? And you know how much I love a repairable write-off, guys. Look, it's so good, nothing wrong with it. Like, no joke, you can't even tell there's anything wrong with this bad boy. Look at it. You're just thinking, oh, yeah, mate, that's a nice looking car. Then you find this, and you're thinking, oh, my God, it's all bent here. It looks pretty straight there. The hinges look pretty good. I've zoomed in, guys. I've zoomed in and checked every little mosquito, right? Now, it's pretty bent. And I'm thinking, oh, what's this going to cost, you know? Now, if I can get this cheap enough, like, she's bent. She's bent, boys. Now, I need some long-term content. I want to make a whole year. I want to make videos for a whole year on a vehicle. I was going to get a Ford Ranger and get, like, a smash Ford Ranger. Guys, they're going for stupid money at the moment. And I'm thinking, what do you think this Tesla would go for? This crumped up tin can. What do you think this car's going to go for? Should I buy it or shouldn't I buy it? Now, right now you'd be thinking, oh my God, that's a repairable write-off, but that's a stat. No, mate, this is not a stat write-off. This is 100% repairable. Now, yes, I'll have to buy the whole side of the vehicle. I'll have to unstitch it. I'll have to do the whole inner and outer, the back bit. Now, how much, if I can get this car for a good price, I'll need a new back door. Yeah, there's going to be some problems, some tail lights, the bumper. It's going to cost me a fair bit of money. But these things go for about 60K upwards. Is it going to cost me 60 grand? I hope not, because I don't have that kind of money to spend on Tesla. So either I buy one for $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 and the thing lights on fire every day, or I buy one that lights on fire and only put 10, 15 grand in. So I want to make it, how much will this Tesla cost to get back on the road? So what do you have a guess? What do you think I should pay for it? What do you think it's going to go for? And how much do you think it would cost me to repair it if I get it? If you see it on the channel, I brought it. If you don't, you don't. Anyway, guys, I am struggling to get videos out at the moment. I've been on holidays. Oh, my God. Hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas, a great holiday, a good New Year's. Let's get back into it. A few videos coming about for some brakes, how to do your rotors and pads, coming soon. Start this year off fresh. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.